Today we're making soft and fluffy Victoria Sponge Muffins, filled with jam and cream. Here's what you'll need. 200 grams of self-raising flour, 200 grams of softened unsalted butter, 200 grams of caster sugar, 4 medium eggs, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, strawberry or raspberry jam, whipped cream, and a little icing sugar for dusting. First, cream the butter and sugar together. Beat until the mixture is light, pale, and fluffy. Next, add the eggs one at a time. Mix well after each egg so the batter stays smooth. Then add the vanilla extract and mix again. Now add the self-raising flour. Fold the flour in gently. Don't overmix. Stop when you no longer see dry flour. Line a muffin tray with paper cases. Fill each case about 3/4 full with batter. Bake in a preheated oven at 170 degrees Celsius or 338 Fahrenheit for about 20 to 22 minutes. They're done when the tops are golden and spring back to the touch. Let the muffins cool completely before you fill them. Once cooled, carefully cut each muffin in half or remove a little from the center. Add a spoonful of jam, then pipe or spoon in some whipped cream. Dust the tops with icing sugar. And your mini Victoria Sponge Muffins are ready to serve. Perfect for tea time, parties, or a simple treat at home. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more baking recipes.